So it's probably not surprising that we now see the Sinaloa cartel, started by Chapo Guzman Loera, manufacturing counterfeit opioids and smuggling them across the border into the U.S., where unsuspecting substance abusers are overdosing on these medicines that look just like authentic medicines, but contain fentanyl or carfentanyl. Are you surprised that they would make that move?
As long as there's a demand out there for things like cocaine or methamphetamine or fentanyl or opioids, whatever it might be, there are evil people in the world that are willing to meet that demand. That's what Pablo did. It's really eye-opening, but also it's really scary that these criminal organizations have realized how much money they can make off of counterfeit narcotics, or counterfeit medications, not so much narcotics. We've got to do something to address this. I mean, it's, we've talked to you about this quite a bit, Aaron, and you've said it's the perfect crime because somebody's already dying from a disease, let's say cancer. And the criminal organizations come in and they introduce counterfeit medications for cancer. You taking your medications and you think it's going to cure you, and it doesn't, and you die. The medical examiner knew you had cancer to start with. So it's just attributed to a natural death. There is no autopsy. There's nothing to check to see. And these criminals are getting away with it.
And these criminal organizations do not care. They're going to put whatever fake, whatever poison they can out there and sell it in the black market. These gangs are very dangerous. They're infiltrating most of our cities. They're robbing, they're stealing, but now they're in this counterfeit drug market, and they're organized, they're vicious. They use the same tactics as Colombians, Mexicans in infiltrating that violence. But now that they're into the counterfeit medication, and people are buying it and dying, you have to do that concerted effort where you need to bring in everybody together.
It's got to be more than just the enforcement arm. It's got to be more than just the responsibility on the schools. It's got to be more than just responsibility on Congress. We need input from private citizens, but we also need help from the pharmaceutical companies. We need help from the drugstores. We need help from the medical professionals.